Tonight we go directly to the main course. Some days is vegetarians, and today is a filet mignon, seared on an iron skillet for about 4 minutes on each side. Then the iron skillet goes into the oven and is finished for about another 8 to 10 minutes. Then on top, what you see is chimichurri. It's an Argentinian dressing that's outstanding for meat. I get all the dry ingredients from an Argentinian store. Then I put some fresh garlic, especially fresh parsley and oregano, and of course the olive oil. And it is delicious. Here I have another Mario salad. It's a bed of watercress. With the watercress has olive oil, a little bit of lime, and some thyme. And then it's sprinkled with toasted sesame seeds. Outstanding. Then here, roasted potatoes with garlic, olive oil, and then garnished with fresh parsley. And here we have a wonderful bottle of Spanish Tempranillo from Rioja. It's Marqués de Cáceres, 2018. It's good-bodied wine that will go well. It won't be overwhelmed by the filet mignon. So today, if you're here for dinner, we're going to be discussing self-discipline versus motivation. And I have a video on that here on YouTube. Look it up. But motivation is really a manipulation. Motivation tries to get you to do something you wouldn't do unless you get motivated. So what you want to do, you bring self-discipline. But what you do is you replace pleasant and unpleasant with worthy or unworthy. And what is self-discipline? It's an immutable cause for a worthy objective. You cannot change when the cause is worthy. You don't need motivation, self-discipline. And I'll talk about that some more on the video. So please watch it. And meanwhile, bon appetit and salud. Enjoy.